Hey y'all, my name is Zakiria. It's my first time doing a mukbang or mukbang, however you want to pronounce it. But today I just have, this is strawberry kiwi juice that I have here. And then I have some leftover juicy crab that I had earlier today. We had a juicy crab for my little cousin's birthday. So I just have some crawfish. I have some potatoes. I have a lot of potatoes in here. Some shrimp and some crab legs and a piece of corn. I had a lot of food from there. I was not able to finish all of it. I would say that people, and I have some lemons right here. I would definitely say that people definitely hype juicy crab up, and it's really not all that, but I need a bag to throw my shelving. Get that bag from up there. But it's okay. Definitely not. So I'm like, oh girl, go to juicy crab. It's so good. No, definitely not like that. This is my first time trying crawfish, and this was my first time. I was a little iffy. Like, do you see that? And that just looks so nasty to me. But I mean, once you just tear that little part off, it be good. You be good with it. So we just gonna tear that little part off. We're not even gonna eat it. Would I buy this again? Hell no. Nah, no crawfish. That don't look too nasty. But I just have my little lemons right here. I don't have no dipping, so I'm just gonna dip it in the sauce that's in the bag. Lemon actually makes seafood taste so much better than where it tastes. So I will definitely be using my lemons. I'm not gonna do much talking. I'm a little hungry, but I'm gonna try to come up with a story time for y'all. This is kind of weird to me being on camera eating, but I enjoy watching them, so I said, why not do one? Y'all, I hate to be extra, bring some gloves and bring a little bib home, doing too much. But that's what I wanted to do, so that's what I did. The shrimp is good. The shrimp is really good. I think that's why one of my favorite names from there is the shrimp. The crab legs, I had better. They a little overcooked. The shrimp is like the best thing for me. And corn is sweet. It's good. Yeah. So juicy crab, their prices they're okay, they're reasonable. Definitely, like for half a this just looks so nasty. I'm sorry. I'm eating a bug right now. This is what I feel like I'm eating is a bug. I can't do that. And then I know some people be sucking it. Y'all nasty. That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all be sucking the head. And biting the head and stuff. See me? No. Just give me that meat out this here. And let me go about my business. So I tear that off. Another thing, they don't really clean their stuff like that, because I know crawfish is not supposed to have all that little boo-boo stuff on it. Disgusting. But yeah. This minute video is really kind of last minute, so I really don't have no story time to tell y'all, but I'm just come up with something. I don't want to talk about my first fight. I mean, I feel like everybody do that. I mean, I guess I'll talk about, I went out yesterday with one of my close friends and my cousin. It was fun. Then had this little situation. Everybody, little vibe was cute for a little bit, but You know, I had to bring it back. Cause I don't like people killing my vibe. We had fun. You want crawfish?
Yes.
Y'all hear her like... Yeah. I know you gonna eat them. I don't really want to like that. Them crawfish is not my favorite. You gotta tear it off. You gotta peel it some more. You don't want them? You just peel that part off. Yeah, you can get her those. Not really a fan of that. Y'all want to see her in the video? Y'all probably will be seeing her a lot in my videos. That's my little cousin. And she likes seafood too, so we both like seafood. So y'all probably be seeing her in some of my videos. We got it. Ooh, hot. Y'all probably can't see because it's mad, it's so hot. But yeah, sometimes I just be laying in the bed watching mukbangs, and or sometimes I be around my family and they be like, "Can you please turn that off?" They can't stand when I watch mukbangs. I'll be watching them. One of my favorites is the B-Loves. Like her, she be giving me lot. Girl, you making this one? I mean, you gotta try to use my lemon, huh? What? You know I want that. Go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all.
Well, let me get a little bit of this. Hey, YouTube.
That's my sister, y'all. She's allergic to seafood, so when we went, she had to eat some wings. Inside. Like everybody else totally seafood up. But yeah, B Loves is one of the ones who inspired me to do this. Yummy Bites TV. I watch her as well. I watch her family all the time because they do more stuff than just seafood. They do pizza, everything. Her food be looking good. She be having me hungry. Why would you open it?
I don't want to see what.
She just open a craw. Let me show y'all the inside of this crawfish. Look at that. The head. Look at that. Ooh, that's just nasty. I'm sorry, I can't eat that. That'll make me sick. Okay, let's get into these snow crabs. Like I said, not the best snow crabs I done had, but nothing but I mean, God better. Like we have this one seafood spot in McDonald's called Number One Pot Seafood. So good. It's amazing. And like what I paid for a juicy crab and One Pot Seafood, we paid like $22 for 2 clusters of snow crab, some shrimp, potatoes, and corn. Here, paying separately for 1 pound of snow crab, $25, and then 1 pound of shrimp was like $15, $16 separately. So I paid separately for both of those amounts, when then I could have paid $22 for it at once. See if I got all day for $22. So like I said, it's definitely a price difference from when you go somewhere else and get seafood. But that's what you wanted to go for her birthday. That's where we went. Will I be going back? No. Definitely not. Ooh, my hands are dirty. My glasses gonna get dirty. Ooh, that's some good juice. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely weird eating on camera. Something you definitely have to get used to. And then like when I be looking at other people do mukbangs, I just be like people who really do this, like Be Love's Life and Yummy Bites, they really be doing this. Like they so comfortable in front of the camera. Me,
They make it look easy.
yeah, they make it look real easy. Ooh, real easy. That lemon. It's just so good. Like on the corn. On the ones and twos. Good. It's so sweet. I would say the corn is one of my favorites from there too. Like I just go there, give me. This is mine. I only got one more left, and I'm making a video.
Shut up.
The hell. Children. But let's get y'all a little background about me. I'm 22. I live in Atlanta, Georgia. Well, let me specify. I live in Hampton, Georgia, which is near Atlanta. I don't have any kids. Yeah. I don't have any kids. Work. I'm just working right now. But yeah. Just a little background about me. I would say I'm freshly 22. So I just turned 22 in August. Birthday August 29th, same day as Michael Jackson. You know, the greats were born on the 29th of August. I mean, the greats are just Virgos, period. I want y'all to comment below. Let me know what y'all zodiac sign y'all birthday is. See if I have a birthday twin. I love meeting people who have the same birthday as me. And what's so crazy, I meet a lot of guys that have the same birthday as me. And do we still talk? No, we don't, because we act just alike. It'll never work. Yeah, but I meet a lot of guys who have the same birthday as me. I've never really met any females. I knew a few that I went to school with, but didn't really talk to them like that. But haven't met a female who has the same birthday as me. I meet a lot of people who like birthday might be a day before mine, or a day after mine, or a day or two after mine, but never on the same day. And this sauce is actually tasting better. I had the Cajun mild, but when we was there, I was just not feeling it. Like, feeling the sauce that they had, I was like, this is disgusting. But it actually tastes better now that I came home, let it sit, and warmed it up. So I don't know what that was about. It tastes way better now. I guess somebody having a party out there. But not on me, baby. One of my favorite things I like to do is I love to sing. I would say I'm very, that's my talent is singing. I also do hair. From time to time, it's not one of my main things to do, but it's one of the things I can do. One of my talents. I don't want to sing that right now. I'm eating. That was my mom. Cause I should sing something. I'll definitely be putting some singing videos up sometime. I've had my share of ups and downs, times when there was no one around. God came and spoke these words to me. But today we eat. Lemon is just so good. It's good. Woo. I don't mind that it's talking. That is my mom and sister. I don't have mayonnaise. This corn is really, really good. This was actually a wig I made myself. It's looking kind of crazy right now because I had a hat on. So, like I said, I do box braids. I started out doing crochet. So that was one of the first things I learned to do. Make wigs, do sew-ins, do quick weaves, basic stuff. Now, I can braid to the scalp. But don't ask me to give you no lemonade braids because you're going to be disappointed. I braid to the I braid to the scalp for sew-ins and crochet. No lemonade braids. You're going to be real disappointed. I ain't one of them stylists that, oh, can you do me something like me? Girl, yeah. No, I will let you know quick, fast, and in a hurry that I do not know how to do no cornrow, no lemonade braids, or no cornrows like that. But anything else, I got you. That was my last drink. That was so good. And I'm recording on my phone right now. Because at the moment I don't have a camera, but I'll be getting one soon. So I can record on my camera. And so you all can ask me questions or anything and I can answer them on video. So that will be coming soon. You all can follow me on Instagram at pretty_darkskin001. You can follow me on Snapchat at beautifulz with 2 E's 001. I don't really get on Twitter like that, so I'm just gonna give y'all my Instagram and my Snapchat. But I also put it in the description below. Once this video is done. Woo! That juice is good. Yeah.
I didn't see that.
I'm about to say, what are you doing? They out there having a party, baby. On a Sunday. How they clean up. Well, it ain't no holiday on there. It might be somebody's birthday. So yeah, I tried mussels before, but the only thing with that is when I tried it, I cooked it myself, and I wasn't sure if it was done or not. So yeah, my cousin ate them. I was just like, no, I'm not eating this. I don't know what this is. So I think next time I'll try some mussels. They didn't have no mussels today, so we couldn't get them and try them. But that'll be the next thing I wanna try some of them, because crawfish is not for me. I won't be wasting my money on that no more. I mean, is it the season for crawfish or something? Because those was horrible. I haven't even been using my lemon. Oh my God. Crab it. Y'all, I love crab eggs and shrimp. That's all I like. That's all I usually eat, but I'm trying to branch out and do something different for y'all for the mukbangs, but I don't think this gonna work.
That's all you need, your honeycombs.
I do not like honey. I know I'm gonna get sick eating it. I'll try it, but I think I know I'm gonna get sick eating it. Funny, I hate honey. Ugh. It's just so nasty. It tastes so weird to me.
Or the mochi.
Oh yeah, I can do a mochi video because I like mochi. It's so good. But it really wouldn't be a video because it gotta be a video for people trying it. I already had it. I like it. Now I can make one eating it for y'all because it's really good. I know they sold them at Target for like $4.99. And sold them at not Food Depot, Kroger's. Excuse me. For $5.99. You would expect it to be cheaper at Kroger's than at Target, but whatever fuck they bought. So good. Ooh, so good. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I think it's only like 7 o'clock right now. Because the time went back. It was so dark outside when I came back from Walmart. I thought it was like 9, 10 o'clock. It was only 6:36. Damn, I fell asleep already. Crazy. 6:36. Probably soon from now. It feels so late, but it's so good. You can do anything crunchy other than grab it, girl. I know. My friend Sharon, she making me want to get some red. What is it called? Baskin and Robbins, or the ice cream place. She making me want to get some because she got some. I haven't had them in a minute. I don't think we have a Baskin and Robbins around here, do we? Ma, do we got a Baskin and Robbins around here? Oh, that's the one next to the Dunkin' Donuts, ain't it? She making me want to go get me some ice cream. I'm not really an ice cream person. But every once in a while, I'll be wanting some. Marble Slab, love it.
What's that?
It's the ice cream place. You ever been Cold Stone Creamery? Oh Lord.
I know that Froyo place called Froyo.
That junk nasty. Yes, it is. We tried that before. That junk was nasty. It was disgusting. It's like, what is this? I like Tutti Frutti better than that.
Is that with that frog in it? Oh, no, that's supposed to.
I think that is the one with frog, Tutti Frutti.
Oh, then that's the one I was talking about.
You talking about the one on 221? That's Froyo. I'm talking about Tutti Frutti. That's the one on 218. Oh, but who she thought she was? She tried it. I ain't gonna say what she said because her mama might watch my video. So.
She didn't know what that was.
Girl. Woo. I can't wait till my birthday next year. My birthday just passed on. I already talking about my birthday next year. Crazy, right? I just love birthdays that much.
I just want to eat the inside of this.
Don't eat that stuff.
I know
some people. I be watching somebody else on YouTube. They be eating all that stuff. I think his name like Dan something. He be eating all that stuff in the crawfish, the lobsters, in the heads. He don't care. He do not care at all. I'm like, ooh, don't eat that. He be eating it. Woo. Get a little, ooh. This is my last little piece. I ain't no more order. We're gonna do another one. Okay.
we could do on Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah, because we don't go to school Tuesday.
Why y'all don't go to school?
Voting, I guess. Or election day, I don't know.
So they got y'all out of school for people voting.
I guess for the teachers, so they can vote.
Yeah, they go on the weekend. Everybody else. They love being out of school, but ooh, Thanksgiving coming up.
We're gonna be out for a week. Christmas, you're gonna be out for
ooh,
3
look at all that
weeks.
lemon y'all on there.
Honey?
Give me a month, boy. Ooh, that smells so good, yummy. But okay, that was my last little bit. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell button so you can be alert when I post another video. And let me know in the comments what you thought about my mukbang and some of the things y'all would like to see me do on here.
Or talk about.
Thank you.